Hello everybody, this is Kyle Speed 1 coming to you at the racetrack. I got a little surprise that I just finished. Well, it's not totally finished. I got a bunch of other detail parts to put on there. I'll have to sort out the gear mesh because I think that's what's part of causing all that noise. But I'll get it figured out. But in the meantime, I don't know if y'all recognize this or even can tell what the heck it is. I'll give you a clue. It's one of the crime fighting duos. Their show wasn't evidently as popular as the Batman series during the 60s on TV, but, and as I said, I'm not finished yet. Y'all recognize it yet? You see what it might be? I've got some touch-up areas I got to do. Like I said, it's still a work in progress. Yeah, it's got missiles in the back. Yeah, and it's got the weird tail lights. It's the Green Hornet. You know, the Green Hornet in Kato, which was Bruce Lee. Yeah. So, yeah, there's the front. I've still got to paint the grill and put in the headlights, and I've already colored the glass that covers the headlights green. You know, it's still transparent, but they'll show up as being green because that's what the Green Hornet was. He was a Green Hornet. Yeah. Cool little kit. You know what? I'm having a brain malfunction. I can't remember the name of the kit. But maybe it'll come to me later. It's an okay kit. It needs a lot of work to fit all the parts. But, you know, for what it is, this is going to be Batman and Robin's stablemate of super crime fighting heroes of the Green Hornet and Kato. So now I've got two good guy cars in the realm of crime fighting, and I used an NSR pod as a sidewinder unit, and I cut up the plastic chassis. I'm going to go back and touch all this up, make it look better. Yeah, I mean, it's basically the original car kit bottom chassis part with a slot invasion guide kit and slot invasion tire. Well, they're the old Carrera tires, but it's a slot invasion rims, aluminum rims, and just the basic kit. It's not, because it sells, I think I bought this a while back for like, I don't know, $16, the car kit. Now, that same company makes a regular car kit, plastic model kit, but it also makes the slot car kit, but it costs a lot more. So at the time, I didn't have enough money to buy the regular slot car kit, and I've heard mixed reviews about it, so I figured, well, I'll just buy the plastic model kit and modify it. And that's the result of my modification. Okay. The other news I got to tell you is I painted a lot of my grassy areas and rock areas that last time was all gray. See there? I've added, now this I just added. That's what it looked like in that last video. And that's what it looks like now after doing some dry brush painting. Okay, and still tons of work left to do to it. But yeah, I wanted you to see the Green Hornet car. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm making progress on the old racetrack. Still plenty of stuff to do. But for right now, that's all I got for you today. God bless you. Y'all take care, and I hope you have Jesus. Bye.